Hey guys, you're watching the Crazy Pop Vlog channel and I'm Bharti this side. So today in this video I'll be reviewing these new makeup brushes that I've received just a while back. And these makeup brushes are kind of special to me because these makeup brushes have been launched by my dear friend Anamika, and she's a blogger and a YouTuber, and she's known by her blogger name Wiseshe. And now I'm so proud of her because she has finally launched some of her makeup brushes by the Wiseshe name. So a while back she has launched new eye makeup brushes, and I'm pretty impressed by the quality of these brushes. I honestly speaking, I was really not expecting that much, how it would be, and I'm really impressed by the quality of these makeup brushes. I honestly speaking, I was really not having any high expectation. I just, since it's a startup brand, I was like, okay, let's just see, don't have any expectation, just see and how it is. So once I opened my package and once I saw these makeup brushes and once I touched them, they look and feel really good. And this is the eye makeup that I have created using these makeup brushes, and these are the makeup brushes that I have been using since last few days now. So I have been kind of ignoring my Sigma makeup brushes, my Real Technique makeup brushes for the eyes, and I've been straight away using these brushes, and I have been loving ever since. So yeah, and not only that, the price tag is also really good. It's like really affordable. And not only that, oh my god, the price tag, I think it's perfect. Right now it's in a discounted price because it's a new launch, so she had specially for all of you, the price tag is usually like 1200 bucks for a set of 2 makeup brushes for the eyes. And not only that, the price tag of these makeup brushes is really good and so tempting. For a set of 2 makeup brushes, it's priced at 600 rupees. Original price is 1200 rupees, but it's cut into half the price, so that means you're paying only 300 rupees for each eye makeup brushes. The quality, I feel, is even better than the pack makeup brushes, I feel. So, and for eye makeup you only need the basic 4 makeup brushes, so I feel Anamika has really put her thought process into this in order to like launch the perfect eye makeup brushes for beginners. And that's really good, because in the end makeup is supposed to be fun and not complicated for beginners. So I think this is great, and even for beginners and for pros, I feel these makeup brushes is a good deal. I'll show you the close-up of these eye makeup brushes so that you will get an idea how the eye makeup brushes look like. The name is also written on each eye makeup brushes of what it's meant for. Like for example, this one, which is a flat smudging eyeshadow brush, it's written Pro Smudge. So this is the flat eyeshadow smudge brush, and you can see over here the name is also printed on it saying it's a Pro Smudge brush, and that's the brand name. So this kind of a flat smudging brush is great for smudging the waterline. If you've applied some kind of a very creamy kajal, and then you can just smudge it using this flat smudging eyeshadow brush. And I have tried this a few times, and I really like how it definitely feels very delicate under the eyes, because the waterline is very delicate. So like this feels very soft, and I did not feel any irritation while I was smudging the waterline. And for applying shimmer eyeshadow also, this kind of a brush is great. Once you wet it with a setting spray, and then you just apply it, and it's like you're good to go. So the other one is the Pro Domed Crease brush. So this is the Pro Domed Crease brush, and as you can see, this is slightly more smaller kind of a brush, which I feel it's great because I have hooded eyes. So I love just applying directly the eyeshadow around my crease area, and at the same time I can use it to like define the crease area using this small domed crease brush. So I really like it that way, because not everybody has big round eyes, so I have like very less crease space, so that way this, I feel the size of this crease brush is just perfect for me. And then the other crease brush is this one. This is the other crease brush, as you can see, which is slightly more fatter looking and it's more fluffier. And this one is just great if you want to get that smudged smoky eye. It's great for blending out cream based products. Like for example, if you need a black cream base for smoky eye, you can just apply it directly and just smudge it using this brush. It's great for that as well. If I had to pick only one makeup brush out of all the 4 makeup brushes from the Wiseshe brand, I would definitely pick this one, which is the Pro Shadow eyeshadow brush. So this is the Pro eyeshadow makeup brush, and as you can see, I really like this for blending out the eyeshadow, because blending is so very important. So any kind of harsh line that you create with the eyeshadow around the crease area, you can like easily use this brush to like blend it, and it blends the eyeshadow so perfectly. It's just that you need good patience in order to just keep on blending till you feel okay, it's blended pretty well. So I really recommend these eyeshadow brushes. Each eyeshadow brush is going to cost you 300 rupees, so it's only sold for a set of 2, so you're paying 600 rupees, and that too is like after discount, it's 600 rupees. The original price is 1200 rupees, so you are definitely saving a lot of money. And I have washed these eye makeup brushes and I have tested them out, and I really like, there's no shedding whatsoever, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I am so impressed by my friend Anamika, who has just recently launched these eye makeup brushes. So I highly recommend you guys to check them out. I will leave all the direct links to these makeup brushes down below, so that you guys can also see, maybe add it in your wish list, and then if you want to like try it out, you can order some for yourself. Yeah, and these makeup brushes, I really like them, and you will definitely see in my future makeup videos where I do the tutorials, and I will be using these makeup brushes because I'm really loving it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this review video of mine, and do check out the tutorial in the end of this video, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.